Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I did grab a little bit of footage this morning of them levelling out the area and marking it out ready for the start of the restaurant. But they are here and they are getting on with it. We've also got the guys from Quality Touch have turned back up to repair a couple of little odds and sods. So it looks like today is going to be a busy day, but I'll just post a little bit of footage from earlier, and we've just had a delivery of steel, so I'll take you down there in a bit and we'll have a look. It's a bit hectic at the moment. So you've got to watch your step when you're coming down here at the moment, because you've got little wires, little trip hazards everywhere. Oh, nice. So you can see we've got five guys and ladies here, and they're marking it out. You can see this, I don't know if you can see that. There's three of those running across, and that's just to get their level. So as the day goes on, I'll record a bit more for you. While they're all down there working, I thought I'd do myself a bit of cooking today. So might as well share it with you. Just got a few racks of ribs on and a couple of bits of the trim for the dogs. Keep the lid closed. We'll pop back and check on that in 70 minutes. And we'll also have a little walk round down the bottom and see how they're getting on. Right then guys, it's, what's the time now? 20 to 3 in the afternoon. I'm just going to whip you around and have a look at what's going on so far. So like I said, Quality Touch are back here. They're taking up a few tiles I mentioned in the previous vlog. We've had a few which are a bit hollow, so I'll show you those. In all fairness to them, they've sealed the whole area off, so nothing should get past and into the pool. Nothing's should hit the windows, or so they've really sealed it up. So we'll have a quick look at that, and then I'll take you down to where the restaurant is. So you can see they've turned around, they've took up a load of the tiles. It seems to be all this centre row, which was the first lot which was put down. So obviously they'll probably clean them up and try and use them again, but maybe they won't, I'm not sure. I'll keep my eye on that. I think they have got new tiles anyway. But let's just pop down and have a look at what's going on down here. Now they've still got a few of the lines running across, so I won't get too close. I'll pop back down later, but let's have a look, see what they've done today. So we'll go out the gate. I'll keep the gate closed because obviously of the dogs. So what we've got, they're busy doing a bit of welding over there, just getting some of the framework ready. So this is some of the steel we'll be using. So busy just giving it a coat of paint at the moment. We're going to have it like as a grey colour. That's Tam wanted a bit of grey on there, so I said to her she can choose the colour. So what they've done is they've dug this side down, levelled it all out, but they're mainly concentrating on this side over here at the moment. So this would be where the actual cooking and most of the restaurant will take place over here. So they're basically just getting this all set out and all completely ready for concreting. So it's coming on. Like I said, this is day one. I'm going to post every single day, just to show you what's going on here. It's very hot work for them all. We're keeping them in bottles of Fanta and ice and what have you, because we've got loads left over from our moving in celebration, so it's quite handy. They can certainly drink a bit of that. So let's go back in. But like I said, while I'm hanging around today, I thought I'd do a bit of cooking. And my pork ribs have been on for, let me think, about hour and 3/4. It's time for me just to give a little check on them. I'm doing one set which is barbecue and one set which is honey. So let's go and have a look. These are just cheap pork ribs from the local Thai meat store, but they do go well on the grill. We've had to lock the monster up because he cannot be trusted with people, so he's all locked up at the moment. Let's just pop in and lift the lid, see what we got going on in here. Temperature is still good. Like I said, I haven't opened this for a while. Let's just have a let's see how they're getting on. Yeah, not bad. They're getting there. Could do with a bit more. So we'll shut the lid down on them, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on the building of the restaurant today, and also how my ribs are getting on. The proof is in the eating. This is one of the honey ribs. It'll fall off the bone. Just a little bit sticking to the bone. But alright. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy these ribs. We'll go and have a look at the restaurant in a bit. Well guys, the builders have just left. It looks like the other bit they were doing up by the pool, they have taken up all the tiles apart from the edge around. So I think while they were taking them up, obviously they must have damaged some or whatever. So they've took all them up as well, so that whole area is going to be relaid. But I will, the main reason why we're here is obviously to show you what they have done today. So day one progress. So you can see what they have done. They have marked out the areas ready for concreting. Concrete will be coming tomorrow. Same as over this side. I'm not sure, they'll probably, by the looks of it, I think they'll probably do one area tomorrow. They may even do both areas tomorrow, because I know they'll want to get on with it. So yeah, they've sort of leveled it all out. They've marked it all down so it's all nice and level. They'll fill that with concrete tomorrow. And then I'm sure what they'll probably do is put the upright posts in. I'd have thought anyway. Like I said, it's not going to be, you know, any sort of major crazy structure. It's, like I said, it's nothing like the main house. This is just for the restaurant. So like I said, it's on style restaurant, and yeah. So there we are, guys. So that is the end of day one. Thank you very, very much for tuning in. I hope you stay tuned. I think I'm going to actually post this one. Excuse me, somebody's, as usual, lit a nice fire over the back there, and that's flying over this way. Yeah, that's day one wrapped up. I will try and post every day if I can. Hopefully I can get this uploaded today. We have had no internet today at all. Yeah, well, I'll see whether I can get this loaded up or not. If not, if I can, it'll be up tonight. If not, it'll be up tomorrow. So anyway, thank you all guys for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one. So until then guys, stay safe, take it easy, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.